I'm Gordon Branson from Banquet White Suffolks here at Mortlake, southwest Victoria. Here we run White Suffolk stud and South Downs as well, and also farm stud Angus cattle and a contracting business. We're sitting in the second set of sheep yards we built this year, shearing modules, 2 shearing modules. We're extremely happy with Commander Ag-Quip to now completed the second set so quickly, and to have them done in time restraints as well, to fit in around everything. The first set of yards were done in February. The time they were supposed to turn up, they turned up, and we got them completed when we needed them to. The set we're sitting in here today in this new shed, the same guys, Commander Ag-Quip, have put them up here in Victoria, put both sets up, have done an extremely good job, extremely happy with the workmanship, the attention to detail, and knowing the importance and the cost we're actually spending, so to have them just spot on. These set of yards, I think 3 days and it was all completed. The last night they worked until midnight to have it done. Everything's just been smooth, and Josh and James, any ideas I kept coming up with, I could go back to them, and they're more than happy to change and change gates or panels to gates, anything like that. It's been great. So this set of yards we're going 100% slam shuts, which are just, it's so quick to go through. Man gates where dog flaps don't work dogs on the sheep at the moment, but just going through man gates from pen to pen saves time, and in spots where you walk, so you're not actually having to walk through sheep into the force areas, and trying to get a best flowing set of yards in the room we had. This morning we ran a couple hundred ewes in. They ran through into the yards outside and straight up into this shed, and before we knew it, we had them up and around and ready to be drafted, and I started drafting them by myself. So I stand at the front of them drafting, and they kept running around. So from the old set of yards that were here, were fantastic for 100 sheep, but the numbers I'm trying to run on this size farm couldn't keep doing it, and it was a 3-person job to draft. So yeah, the labour cutting down is going to be huge. The process has been very enjoyable. I can't thank James and Josh and the rest of the team at Commander Ag-Quip for everything they've done into getting this project finished for us. The quality of the product is outstanding. They look very smart with the Jarrah timber. We've got the sloped catching pens as well, and then the poly gratings in the back. Then we started doing all this, putting it up, and I said we better order some panels for outside the shed, because I wanted to get rid of the old set and make it more sheep area to hold sheep, so more area outside. And they actually put them straight into production for me, and put them on the truckload that brought these modules over. So they turned up not knowing what they were going to be like, and they were very, very heavily built, pinned together, fantastic. So this morning ran their sheep into them, and they flowed around there very well, just the way I've got them set up, and they're high enough, nothing's going to jump over them. And the gates are heavy, the frames for semi-permanent panels. So everything's all gone to plan. So it's been a great experience, and highly recommend them to anyone, and more than happy for anyone to come and have a look at this setup.